Good day everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up AT&T Internet Air tutorial. Right, so let's run through the steps. So first of all, download the Smart Home Manager app. You can grab it from either Apple App Store or Google Play. Alright, so this is what the application should look like. Right, so the next number 2 is going to be sign in or register. Open the app you've downloaded and sign in with your AT&T user ID. If you haven't registered your device yet, you'll need to do that first. Right, step number 3, set up the All-Fi hub. Follow the prompts in the app to begin setup. You'll need to plug in your All-Fi hub and scan the QR code located at the base of the hub. The app will guide you step by step through the setup. Step number 4, position the hub. Use the app to find the best location for your All-Fi hub by checking signal strength. The app provides tools to help you find the optimal spot in your home based on the closest signal tower. After that, activate your service. After setting up the hub, the app will guide you through activating your service. And once complete, you'll be ready to connect devices to the internet. And the last step, you can test the Wi-Fi signal. The app can also help you test it and test the coverage throughout your home, ensuring you get the best signal possible. For more help, you can also visit AT&T's support site or contact customer service if needed. We hope this tutorial helps you solve your problems and set up your internet properly. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.